There is one big problem why positive thinking doesn't work. See, this is clean water and it represents our mind when we are born. Perfect, no flaws, clean. But then life happens. We are told to fit in. We are told what we are supposed to do and be. Some people get told that they're not enough. Some people get told that they're stupid. We have some failed relationship, failed aspirations. And when we were about to adapt to this process, COVID pandemic happened. Thousands of people are dying, millions lost their jobs, economies are burning, healthcare system is overloaded, anxiety has become an everyday challenge, and socializing has become toxic. This has sparked the fear of survival, and we become negative, and we start having negative self-talks. So not only there is negativity outside of you, but the negative self-talk is now inside of you. Life happens. It is impossible to go through life without getting some scars. But then we should think positive, and that's like taking a little bit of clean water and pouring it in. It makes a little bit clear, but it's still dirty. We think more positive and pour more water in it, but it doesn't help, and it doesn't make the negativity go away. At this point is where most people give up. They say positive thinking doesn't help. Positive thinking doesn't work. Well, if you get this way, of course it doesn't work. But then there are some people who try more positive thinking and they take more water and they pour it in. It makes a little bit clear and a little bit clear and a little bit clear, but it's still dirty. And then you realize that this is how you have to be. You have to recognize and accept this process. There is always some bad news, negative stories, negative people, situation and phases. You cannot avoid it. What you can do is reduce the intake of the negativity and increase the intake of the positivity. You gotta search for the positive things in your life, things that you're grateful for, things that make you happy, things that enable you to think positive. You have to focus on creating positive relationships and an environment that's positive for you. And if you do this, it all starts to become a little bit clear and a little bit more clear. Because see, thinking positive isn't something that you have to do sometimes. It's something that you have to do all of the time. It's a never-ending mission. Think positive.